turn to pick
Oh, di ko
heroes.
magpagang brusa ka, Rico kayo.
Pwede ba na kung maka ano? Pwede ba na kung makastorya?
Ah, pag-coral ba?
Ha?
Coral na.
Kor? Ako mag-kor? Bayo tabi.
Ah,
O kor.
dikit ka na ikaw rin mo ba?
Hindi.
Pag-coral ka makarapit. Ito ba nung ganang ko?
Akong giyon ang kuan bay. Ba madunggan.
Yawa, uy, may utod-tun.
5
Utod-tun
seconds
mo.
left.
Tawag ka rin.
Unsa?
Overlord.
Ay, tikong bitaw. Sa o dyan sa It's okay? Ah, manggil.
Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds.
Kana?
Party in the last
Na?
arena base is
Protection?
all forces. Move out.
Minions ta minions. Pero wala balas mo, di ba? Minions ako, minions. Yan, medyo laglag ba eh. Bugat kayo. May patyon nga. Salamat ka. Doon sa kasin. Ay, XP mo ka ba? Ayun.
Every tool has its own nature.
Siya.
Don't worry about it.
Medyo laglag ako ba? 16. Ah, si Childlet. Ano mong counter eh? Masakit kayo? Sakit din na kayo.
They say that small bodies cannot wield great tools, but tall ones can break the
Napatay
sky.
man siguro na ito na.
Well, I'm here to prove them
Kadila pa
wrong.
daw.
Enemy has been slain.
Ah, rindo ko yung ragayin ko. Mugahin kalaban. Medyo laglag ko ba eh. Or bugat na ko no. Ah, sige. Sukol ko eh.
Slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. My favorite pastime, coming up by the forge fire, listening to the melody of how it is.
Kagita Charlotte ah.
The Overlord and Tyrant have fallen. They have slain an enemy.
Wow, wow.
Charge! Charge! Retreat! Copy that.
Mga gini tadi bay.
Long ago, the first lands had a
Ang
ladder.
agi gini.
Climbing it, even humans could reach the sky.
Gandagan ay.
An element.
Uy, galag bay, galag. Galag ko, galag. Gilag kayo.
They say that small bodies cannot wield great tools, but tall ones can reach the sky.
Nalag ko bay.
I'm here to prove them
What's
wrong.
our jungle doing? Lag
Charge!
boss, lag.
Copy that.
Lag bossing bay. Alo, lag kayo.
Ally has been slain.
Gagi.
The turret has been destroyed.
Lag kayo. Bukat kistanan. Lagi lagi ilogan ang kaniugan.
Destroy the turret.
Tata. Ano sila sa mid doon?
Forging 100 arms is only
Tabo,
the
tabo,
basic.
tabo, tabo. Gi, palag.
Retreat from the marker.
Palag.
Spree. An ally has been slain. Double kill. Fabulous. An
Okay, mali kayong kon.
enemy has been
Mali
slain.
sa kong kon eh. Paglatag.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Pinagay ko. No. Ganda dyan ay. Reklamo ang away na. Why is our core is not helping?
No weapon is born divine. Only after impurities are burned away does it.
Kana ay.
Your team has destroyed.
Napatay ko ba eh?
Shut down.
Wala na yung mga skill ah. Hello. Buhat ang away na. Buhat ang away man. Lugi ko ba ba sa dagan kayo eh? Iwa aim ba? Tago. Anak. Pwede ito ko na. Ballistic.
Charge.
Nga na lang ba eh? Maglo, magbukan. Sulod. Tata dito. Ini daw.
Is only
Dagan man.
the basic.
Alag!
Fabulous.
Likod. Wanna play together up there this? Ano man si Kono? Sure. Ay,
Charge!
ay kumpiyansa. Okay, nakuan man. Na-enhance man. Boom. Okay, patay ko. Takbo. Dagan sa, dagan. Palag.
Has been slain. Fabulous.
Dagan gyud.
The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out.
Fokus ang dara. Fokus sa dara. Iya. Ikas din.
Enemy rampage. And your team has destroyed the turret. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Shut down. Enemy double kill.
Dagan gyud. Di dagan gyud.
Double kill. An enemy has been slain. Aced.
Ah, sige ito eh. Kaya. Kaya, di kaya. Kayo, kainans na.
Charge. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Di daw.
Behold the Lightning Lord! Stop the forge! Killing spree! Iron! Your turret has been destroyed! Enemy has been slain! Double kill! Your turret has been destroyed!
Gagi ang bot na to.
Our high ground tower is under attack! Shut
Ay,
down!
sige tang imim nilo. Resurrect tabi.
Ally has been slain. Retreat! Retreat! Killing spree!
Pansin.
Forging 100 arms is only the basics.
Namo yung Charlotte din.
Start with the edge!
Sakit no. Gansi ko tipok-tipok eh.
Only after impurities are removed does it end.
Dapan sila dari ta.
Assemble!
Simbol.
Charge!
Una. Okay, patay dipit na bay. Wala ko, tabangi ko. Tabang. Okay, patay ko bay.
We're behind you.
Takas bay. Patay dakpan. Kuha ko yun yung ballistic da. Ay.
Our high ground tower is under attack.
Mana mangguro na? Mana niya? Mana sen?
Your turret has been destroyed. I'll forge it 10,000
Outside.
times. High ground tower is under attack.
Gawin. Kanang in be? Hindi ka.
Turret has been destroyed.
Gawin ko sen.
Killing spree.
Kaya ramai mo deh.
Our high ground tower is under attack. Your turret has been destroyed. Rampage. An enemy has been slain.
Tingnan niyo.
Unstoppable.
Kaya ninyo boy. Nakawiwi na eh.
Victory.
Justice. Oke, isara. Plus ira pag jatuh ko gagi.